Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Big Chungus, which is basically the obese Bugs Bunny. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're gonna start out with his eyes first. So it's just gonna be basically two egg shapes. Let's draw one and then draw another one pretty close to each other. Alright, and then once you have that, we're going to draw in the eyelid. So it's going to be almost halfway down. Kind of makes it look funnier looking. And then from there, for the eyeball, I'm just going to draw right underneath the eyelid. I'll just fill that in. Alright, and now those are his eyes. And then from there, we're going to draw his nose. So right in the middle here, just draw a little line. And then just draw like a little U shape on the bottom. And then we're going to keep going down. We're going to draw his mouth now. So come down right in the middle again. And just draw in two little curves going out. Okay, and then on the corner here, just extend it. I know it looks a little bit weird, but once we draw in the wrist, it'll make sense. And then right underneath that, we're going to draw in those two teeth. So right in the middle, just one line across. I mean, one line down and then little line across, and then we just go up. Okay, and then we just gotta draw in the mouth. So start on the side here, just one big U shape right around the teeth. And then for his tongue inside, we can just draw in like a little line, a little curve like that. And it'll look better once we color it. And I can actually, well, actually let me see. Let's see if it looks better if I just shade this in first. Yeah, it's a little bit better, but you know, the tongue needs to be a little bit darker. Right, and then from here we're gonna draw in his lower lip, so we're just gonna draw one little curve right underneath that. And then now let's draw in the side. So start on the nose area right here. We're gonna continue that curve, just kind of go right underneath the eye area, and then we're gonna go all the way out. So come down, just kind of curve all the way out, come around right around here. So it's nice and wide. And once we have this shape on the bottom here, it's got a little bit of double chin here. So I'm going to draw one more curve. Okay, so now we can move on to the top. So let's see, come up here and we're going to draw in the little eyebrow, which is going to be way up. I'm going to draw one little curve right above the eye. And I'm going to make it a little bit darker. So I'm just going to shade it in. Make it a little bit thicker with the Sharpie. Alright, and then for the shape of the head here, I'm going to start in the middle. I'm going to draw in some right in the middle right here. Just adding a couple of strands of fur. And then just come straight down on the side. Just curve it all the way around. And that's going to be the top of his head. And now to draw in the ears. So it's just going to be right here. And draw one curve going up first. And then just come back down right around here. So just come back down. Alright, so same thing here. Just come across right above the eyebrow. One big curve. And don't worry about if it's like slightly different direction. Could be a little bit crooked, doesn't really matter. Okay, and then for the inside, it's easy. We're just gonna follow the line. Let's draw one more of these curves, shape. Alright, and if you want to erase out this line, you can do that too. It'll probably look better if you do. Alright, and then for his whiskers, really easy. I'm just gonna draw in two. Right here, slant it out. Alright, so that's the funny looking face. So now let's move on to his body. So it's gonna be really wide. We're gonna draw in his arms first, and for his shoulder, just start here and then just curve it out. So nice and wide. So come here, cross, just curve it out. And now this is gonna be where his glove's gonna be. So we come across, and then just a little bracket on the corners, and then come across. So same thing here. We can just draw one line across, bracket, and then just close that off. And then to finish off his arm, it's just gonna be really easy. Just start here, just go up like that. So same curve as this, just a small little curve. And now we can draw in his hands first before drawing the body. So we're gonna start out on his thumb. We're gonna come out, just curve it back out. And then now we're gonna draw in right here, one finger. We can come down, just curve it. Okay, and then one more. Start here, just curve. And then lastly, one more on this one, and this one's gonna go all the way back up to here, his wrist. All right, so let's try it again on this side. Curve out, just kind of hook it. Come down, just curve, so that's one. Start here, two, and one more. This one's gonna go all the way back. Okay, and then for the details here, I'm just gonna add in 3 little lines. We're gonna try to envision this round shape here. So we're gonna start in here. It's kind of right underneath the glove. We're gonna come all the way down here. So it's almost like a ball shape. So start here, come down and just close it off. So it's pretty round. And then now for the dual tone here, start here, just curve down because we're going around the tummy. So we're gonna curve like that, and then it's gonna continue down here and just kind of pinch it off to the edge right there. Okay, so it's one smooth curve. And then lastly for his foot is really easy. So we're gonna start out here, curve, or you can go all the way back to the center first. Just go down, back to the middle, and then for the other toe, we're just gonna draw in one curve like that. Okay, and then let's see, same thing here, curve, just connect that, and then now add in one curve for the other toe. And again, the dual tone here, just come here and just curve all the way back to the center. And that is it for this Big Chungus. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.